Hi, I'm Sean with Empire Machinery. Today we're looking at our M-Pro hydraulic initial pinch series rolls. This is our 5-foot 14 gauge, 3.5 inch roll diameter. A couple of nice features on this machine. All three rolls are driven. You've got power adjust on the back roll for positioning. Manual adjustment for the pinch rolls. Got a safety cable on both sides that stop the machine immediately once the cable's depressed. You've got a digital readout for indicating the position of the back roll when making the adjustment up and down. Forward and reverse foot pedal for operation as well. We also carry these in a 5-foot 10 gauge capacity and a 5-foot 1/4 inch. We've got the wiring grooves for running 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, or 5/8 solid rod, if that's work you ever need to do on it. Also comes with a cone rolling attachment. So if you're having to do any kind of cone work, you can very easily do that as well. Minimum forming diameter on any of the machines, the general rule of thumb is 1.5 times the top roll diameter. The 5-foot 14 gauge has a 3.5 inch top roll. The 5-foot 10 gauge is 4 3/4, and the 5-foot 1/4 is 5.5 inch. Stainless capacity recommendations is 2 nominal gauges less. So with this being the 14 gauge machine, your max stainless capacity would be 18 gauge stainless.